How to see your stats on Spotify. Sometimes you just want to keep a track of everything you're listening to. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a few simple ways on how you can view the statistics of your Spotify data. First, let's head to the Spotify app. And once you get to the homepage, you just have to click on your profile at the top right. Now from the options below, you again have to click on Profile. In this tab, you'll be able to see all of your top artists of this month and the top tracks. This feature is not available on phones, but I'll be showing you what you can do. Moving forward, you have to open the Spotify app on your phone. Now from the home page, you have to head to Settings. Then just scroll down, and under Social, you'll be able to see Recently Played Artists. Now make sure that you turn on this toggle. After you turn that on, then you'll be able to see the most recently played artists on your phone. I just showed you what you can do for the top artists and tracks of the month. But if you want Spotify data on an annual basis, that is where Spotify Wrapped comes in. They do send notifications for Spotify Wrapped, but if you missed it, here is what you can do. Now you have to go to the search bar and look for this website. Now you just have to log in and you'll be able to see all of the top tracks and artists of the previous year. So there you have it, that is how you see your stats on Spotify. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.